Hello, everyone. Namaste, Madhurji. Hi, Ahana. Thank you so much for coming on Let Us Talk. I welcome both of you.
Thank you.
So,
Thank you so much, Kanchanji.
we have Madhur Bhandarkar here with us, who is an Indian film director, writer, producer. Oh my God, so many things in one. He is also a national award winner for best movies on social issues. Thank you so much, Madhurji. Welcome here.
Thank you so much.
And we have dynamic Ahana Kumra here with us. She is an artist who has played many roles in television, theaters, and now in movies. So we welcome you, Ahana, here.
Thank you so much, Kanchan. Glad to be here.
Thank you so much. So, Madhurji, to start with you, I just need to understand ki, what is your idea of mental health, या फिर what is your idea of emotional health?
See, mental health, if we talk about it's always been there from ages we have seen this. But in especially I would like to elaborate the last 15 months if we see due to the pandemic, due to the we are confined in one house like place anywhere. And definitely it has completely bothered us a lot. And we have completely gone through a different cycle. When in the life you never imagine. There were time would be like in a day. I remember traveling to one city to other city to third city, and suddenly you are completely caged. And you can't go out, and suddenly you can't meet your friends, relative, everybody. So it's so much of that is how the mental health has definitely disturbed.
Coming to Ahana, like, how did recently you were also like COVID positive, and you have been through this whole actually process of facing and fighting with COVID. So how was your, or what was your motivation, or what was your mantra of being happy during that time? Because many people are going through the same situation, and of course, like the one who has already gone through
Mental health. It's basically a psychological, uh, uh, you know, how do I say, recognition of uh, health, which leads to our happiness, which leads to peace, which leads to our well-being. We've always been in a world where I think so much of focus has been given to muscle banao, health banao, ye karo, wo karo, falana, dimkana, that we've completely forgotten that this portion of our body, which is our brain. I was just grateful to have people around me who kept this really high, because trust me, even a person like me who's so like jovial and who's so happy go lucky and who's so like, अरे ठीक है यार, हो जाएगा यार, मतलब ठीक है यार, 14 दिन में ठीक हो जाएंगे, 17 दिन में ठीक हो जाएंगे. No, it really hits you. So it is difficult to cope with it. That I will assure you.
Madhurji, coming back to you, like, you have been known for very unconventional movies that are realistic. They portray really dark side of a glittery world, So how do you manage to actually pull these things off, and how do you deal with every day or everything which is mentally related to it, like mental pressure, emotional factors, and everything?
So what Madhur Bhandarkar shows in the movie, there's nothing wrong in it. I think what I show is the true portrayal, and in fact, sometimes I have to censor it. I have to dilute it, certain aspect of the society, which I will not be able to showcase it because there is a censor board. We have to get a movie censored from them, and there is certain things we try to see that nobody is offended or somebody like there are lots of movies of mine has been very controversial, has been upset a lot of people from the political front or individual or the society. But that is the sign kind of cinema Madhur Bhandarkar's make, and I'm very happy and proud of my the kind of cinema, the love the audience has given me. On the people on the street they meet, they always tell me, Madhur, your cinema has been a mirror to the society. So please don't change. You keep making the kind of cinema you make, and you get subjects and topics where nobody wants to make this kind of subject, or people don't want to make this kind of subject. When I made film Heroine, a lot of people got upset in the film industry itself, in Bollywood itself, because they show I've shown a lot of portrayal of the real issue which has been gone through it, and I've shown the a lot of people got upset with it. In fact,
Managed to keep yourself so grounded, in spite of being national award winner, yes, for extremely different work. But what made you grounded so much? Like, anyone can come, and you are always so polite, so always so jovial. Like, what is the reason?
I'm basically the same person. People who know me from ages also, they know that Madhur, you're the same kind of person from so many years. So I think industry is just for me a working thing where I get my bread and butter over there. I work over there. I'm a storyteller. I pick up story subject which I really want to showcase it, and I show to the people. And I'm very happy the kind of work I'm doing. I've been a film buff from a childhood. I've been a video cassette delivery boy for 3 to 4 years, which I used to go on a bicycle and deliver video cassettes. So my thing was that I've connected with the small strata of society from the film stars.
Happiness, as you always say, even Ahana also endorsed the same thing. Like, happiness is the key. No matter how intense your work is, no matter how hard your life is, but you have to maintain yourself into that happy zone, which we always say is like a green zone, or something which is very bright zone. And you know what, Ahana, we have a mantra at Let Us Talk, like happiness is the key and you are key to your own happiness. तो हम लोग यहाँ पे जो लोग भी आते हैं, we always give them like a written token with the same quote: happiness is the key and you are key to your own happiness. And I think आपकी जो बातें हैं मधुर जी के बारे में सुन के, it applies really really very well. So
Yeah,
thank you so much, Madhur ji. Thank you so much, Ahana.